What is a teleporter? We all know what it looks like. Like this, or this. We have 2 points A and B. You walk in at point A and instantly walk out at point B. So far, so good.
No.
But how does this actually work? One day, you're sitting at home eating a nice piece of pie, and suddenly you want to teleport that pie to your grandma. So you call T-Uber. A specialist arrives. He measures the pie, its color, weight, smell, taste. He carefully write everything down, and then he destroy it. Because you ordered teleportation, not pie cloning.
Actually, it's Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. We cannot measure a state without changing it.
Nerd.
After that, the specialist goes to your grandma with all the recorded information and recreates the exact same pie using those notes. Happy end. We can't magically move things through space. We have to take the object apart into atoms, record the full quantum state of every atom. On this step, the original object will be destroyed, and then recreate it from that information at point B. That's not moving matter. That's sending data. Technically, yes. At this point, we already have something that looks like a teleporter. So let's imagine a very simple test. We want to teleport a single grain of quartz over a distance of 1 meter. A normal grain of sand is about 0.5 millimeter wide. It contains roughly a lot of molecules, and each molecule has 3 atoms. Now let's make a very optimistic assumption. 1 byte of data equals 1 atom. So we have about 5 times 10 to the power of 18 bytes that we have to transmit. Now let's assume an insane data rate, 1 petabit per second. That's more bandwidth than even NASA has. With that speed, just transmitting the information for that single grain of sand would take about 11 hours, and that's only the data transfer. Now imagine a person. Even if you could scan a human body perfectly, you would still need to transmit that information at the speed of light, which would take thousands of years. And then you'd have to rebuild the body, atom by atom, in the correct quantum states with 0 errors. 1 mistake? Congratulations. Even if all of this somehow worked, the original body is destroyed. A copy appears somewhere else. Is that still you? Quantum teleportation is real, but it's tiny and slow. Human teleportation breaks on information, energy, and identity. Could something like it exist one day? Maybe.